capture raw moments, real emotions, and life as it unfolds on the street. When choosing the best budget street camera, you need portability, fast autofocus, and crisp low-light performance. This guide reveals affordable models that deliver professional-level street photography without breaking the bank. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Panasonic Budget Street Camera. The Panasonic Budget Street Camera is an impressive choice for anyone exploring street photography without spending high. Its standout feature is the 360K.LVF with 0.74x magnification, offering a crystal clear view even when shooting under strong sunlight, something street photographers deal with constantly. Whether you're roaming crowded markets or capturing candid moments on busy crossings, framing is always sharp and glare-free. It also doubles as a powerful video tool, thanks to its 4K video mode with 4 times the resolution of Full HD, allowing creators to record fast-paced street life with silky smooth detail. A brilliant addition is the 4K photo feature, which lets users extract stills from recorded footage, making sure no decisive moment is ever missed. Another highlight is the post-focus feature, letting photographers change the focus point even after the picture has been taken, hugely useful when shooting unpredictable scenes. When working with long zoom distances, the Power OIS stabilizer makes sure that handheld shots stay blur-free, even at 60x zoom, which is impressive for a camera in this price range. Whether panning for motion or pointing at distant subjects, stability remains reliable. Overall, Panasonic delivers a camera that balances portability, clarity, stabilization, speed, and flexibility, making it great not only for beginners, but also for seasoned creators looking for an affordable street-friendly upgrade. Its ability to handle both dynamic motion and still images ensures that street shooters capture their world exactly as they see it, sharp, colorful, and full of life. Number 2. Sony Budget Street Camera. The Sony Budget Street Camera stands out as a compact powerhouse designed for fast-moving, everyday photography. Equipped with a 20.1 MP stacked back-illuminated 1-inch XMR-RS CMOS sensor, the camera delivers stunning detail even in challenging shadows and highlights that are common in street setups. The large 24 to 70mm f1.8-2.8 Zeiss Varioson RT lens ensures crisp shots whether you're capturing wide-angle street scenes or close candid portraits. Sony really leans into performance with its 425 phase detect and 425 contrast detect autofocus points, covering 84% of the sensor to lock onto subjects with speed and precision. This makes shooting cyclists, running kids, pets, and spontaneous gestures effortless, thanks to 11 frames per second continuous shooting at full resolution. Colors look natural and lifelike right out of the camera, reducing editing time. For creators who enjoy both photography and cinematography, the camera includes slow/quick motion modes and time-lapse functions, enabling cinematic footage without extra software. The tiltable LCD screen is a bonus for vloggers and street artists experimenting with low or high-angle compositions. The box includes multiple accessories, battery, AC adapter, shoulder strap, USB cable, so users can start shooting immediately. Overall, this Sony model is an ideal match for versatile creators who want a street camera that is fast, bright, configurable, and video-ready. Number 3. Sony Alpha ZV E10 Budget Street Camera. The Sony Alpha ZV E10 Budget Street Camera has quickly become a favorite for photographers and video street creators seeking high performance with portability. Its 24.2 MP APS-C XMR CMOS sensor combined with the speedy Bion's X processor delivers spectacular results when shooting street portraits, architecture, nightlife, and everyday city aesthetics. Where this camera really shines is video quality. 4K oversampled from 6K without pixel binning results in sharp, rich detail that looks cinematic even in handheld motion. For content creators and product reviewers filming outdoors or on the go, the product showcase setting seamlessly shifts focus from face to object, ensuring smooth presentation without manual adjustments. The background defocus button is an instant asset, adding artistic bokeh to highlight subjects and separate them from the busy streets behind. The ZV E10's strength doesn't end with imagery. It's uniquely optimized for plug-and-play live streaming via USB, requiring no additional capture card or software, useful for street vloggers and social media streamers. The camera's lightweight build encourages movement around the city while maintaining professional tone. Autofocus speed and reliability create consistently sharp shots during spontaneous encounters, which is crucial for street photographers. With exceptional versatility for mixed photo and video work, the Sony ZV-E10 is a powerful blend of creativity, style, and affordability. Number 4. Canon Budget Street Camera. Canon enters the street photography scene with the EOS R100 budget street camera, built around a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor that captures beautiful clarity with soft, natural bokeh, perfect for highlighting people and objects against busy urban backdrops. Despite its strong imaging capabilities, its compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable, which is ideal for street shooters who prefer blending in while walking through the city. Canon's Digic 8 processor ensures fast startup, responsive menus, and smooth handling of 4K video recording, making it a balanced tool for hybrid creators. Slow-motion fans will appreciate full HD 120 frames per second shooting for cinematic motion effects. The star of this model is Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF, covering wide areas with precise face and eye tracking. For street life, where subjects move unpredictably, this autofocus system is intuitive and extremely helpful. It also detects animals and vehicles, adding creative flexibility for travel or wildlife in city themes. Thanks to 6.5 frames per second continuous shooting, candid shots become easier and more dynamic. The camera's ergonomics feel comfortable for long sessions, and its menu system remains beginner-friendly without limiting professionals. Affordability combined with mirrorless flexibility and access to Canon's lens ecosystem makes this camera an excellent entry point for street artists seeking serious results. Number 5. Nikon Budget Street Camera. The Nikon Budget Street Camera delivers a classic Nikon photographic feel combined with dependable performance for new and growing street shooters. Using a 24.2 MP DX format CMOS sensor, it produces sharp, vibrant images full of detail and depth, especially useful for textured scenes like brick walls, storefronts, vehicles, and expressions. The XP4 processor keeps image rendering clean while maintaining strong noise control in low-light situations, a major benefit for night street photography. Its 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen adds creativity to compositions, enabling shooting from waist level, overhead crowds, or hidden angles without attracting attention. Video creators will enjoy full HD 1080p at 60 frames per second, which provides smooth motion for walking POV shots, interviews, or lifestyle sequences. Connectivity is another positive. SnapBridge Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC make transferring photos fast and convenient without removing memory cards, perfect for instant social sharing. The camera also offers long recording times, up to 29 minutes and 59 seconds, which is ideal for extended urban shoots and events. Handling is comfortable and intuitive, with button placement that supports confident operation even while moving. Overall, Nikon provides a reliable and affordable tool for people wanting to explore street exploration photography with clean results, responsive controls, and easy wireless workflow. An excellent combination for both learning and long-term creative growth. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.